4, 5, 45.
I'll be a star. I'll be the next. That's it.
आप सबको मैं बहुत दिल से थैंक यू बोलता हूँ कि
Horror, shock, devastation, grief. The death of Sushant Singh Rajput has left the industry reeling. At just 34, Sushant recently had a very successful film, Chichore, which incidentally spoke about not giving up on life in the face of adversity. Sushant had begun his career in daily soap operas and then went on to become a huge movie star, his first successful film being Kai Po Che. Well, Sushant, wherever you are, we hope you're at peace.
In absolutely devastating news that has left an entire industry in shock and grief, actor Sushant Singh Rajput has died at the age of only 34. The actor committed suicide and was found dead in his apartment in Mumbai. The actor was reportedly battling depression for the past 6 months. And the police are saying that this may be the reason behind the extreme step. He is survived by his father and 4 elder sisters. The actor's mother passed away in 2002 और अपनी मां को खोने के बाद a devastated सुशांत अपने परिवार के साथ दिल्ली शिफ्ट हुए थे. Sushant was originally from Patna, pursued his studies in engineering in Delhi, and while he was in college, he took one of Barry John's acting classes and discovered his passion for the craft. Sushant moved to Mumbai to pursue his dream as an actor and worked with Nadira Babbar's Ekjute group for almost 2.5 years, and it was during a stage performance that he was spotted by Balaji Telefilms, who gave him his first break as an actor in a daily soap. Sushant had his big break as an actor playing the lead Manav in the very popular TV show Pavitra Rishta. Sushant won 3 television awards for his performance, and he shaped Manav into one of TV's most beloved and iconic characters. In addition to winning hearts as Manav, Sushant also proved himself to be an excellent dancer by participating in dance reality shows on various TV channels, and his natural charisma on the screen meant a film debut was not too far away. In 2013, the actor was chosen to play one of the 3 leads in Kai Po Che, and his performance was loved by audiences and critics both. After Kai Po Che, Sushant starred opposite Parineeti Chopra and Vani Kapoor in Shuddh Desi Romance, and he bagged a small role in PK in 2014 opposite Anushka Sharma and Amir Khan. Though his film Byomkesh Bakshi didn't succeed at the box office in 2015, Sushant was back in the game with an absolutely fabulous performance as MS Dhoni in 2016 biographical film about the former Indian captain. It became the highest grossing film of the year in 2016 and got Sushant his first Filmfare Award nomination. Some of his more recent films were Rabta with Kriti Sanon, Kedarnath with debutante Sara Ali Khan, Sonchiriya opposite Bhumi Pednekar, and Chichore with Shraddha Kapoor. His film Drive opposite Jacqueline Fernandez released on an OTT platform last year as well. Sushant was in a relationship with his Pavitra Rishta co-star Ankita Lokhande for 6 years before they broke up in 2016 and was rumored to be dating Riya Chakrabarti currently. The actor did have films lined up, but perhaps with the lockdown getting extended and films getting delayed or shelved due to financial constraints, perhaps the uncertainty of the future and his career. In an unfortunate twist of fate, while his character in Chichore tells his on-screen son stories of how he overcame impossible odds to gain the respect of the entire college and motivates him to live after the son attempts suicide, Sushant sadly battled his demons alone. Many Bollywood personalities including Akshay Kumar, Ajay Devgan, Neha Dhupia and Disha Patani, who was his co-star in Dhoni, have all expressed their grief and shock on social media. And the death of such a young and talented man is truly a deeply disturbing event. Rest in peace, Sushant Singh Rajput. We wish more people could have helped you with the sorrow and darkness that was engulfing you. And we hope that you will find some peace in heaven now.